Let's check how it's gonna catch different sounds. Let's test pop. I think it worked great. Okay, how about another drink? Not bad. In addition to studio recording, I decided today just to test this in the real environment. So I went to the park and did some testing. Okay, here is a record of a small waterfall or simply stream. I put my recorder in stereo mode for this purpose. How about if we move this a little bit closer to the stream? Closer like this. I tested a couple of different angles and used mostly stereo mode, as I think it fits well for the nature recording. It seems to caught what it was supposed to caught, sounds of running water. Also, it worked great for catching sounds of birds. While I was testing, I found out that the device has some small issue with battery door. It becomes little loose, so it's easy to drop while you get in from the pocket. Maybe it is only on my unit. As a quick fix, I attached some duct tape on the back side of the door and it fixed problem by making it a little tighter and closer to the batteries. Overall, it's not a huge issue at all. On my way back from the park, I met a big fat raccoon that was looking for something to eat in the forest ground. He didn't really mind a little bit of posing and acting. Usually I see them in Canada only in the night, as they sleep in the daytime. Raccoons are typically nocturnal creatures, but not this one. He was too hungry to just sleep. As a final thought, I can say Tascam DR05X is a great device. It can catch a variety of sounds and can be used in different environments. YouTubers can use it as a voice recorder. Musicians can use it in the studio or on location. It can catch sounds of nature and musical instruments. While I don't test it on the instruments as I don't play, but maybe in the future I'll test it on the concerts or shows. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. That's a wrap for my field test review. Thank you for watching. Hit like button if you like this video, hit bell icon and subscribe if you haven't. See you next time.